This flower will die in just a few hours. And if I don't pollinate it tonight, no dragon fruit. Watch closely, this is one of the rarest moments in gardening. Dragon fruit flowers are spectacular, night-blooming blossoms that grow on the climbing Hylocereus cactus or dragon fruit plant, often called Queen of the Night. This is a dragon fruit flower. It blooms only at night and disappears before sunrise. Today, I'll show you exactly how to pollinate it for guaranteed fruit. Inside the flower, you'll see two important parts. The yellow powder is pollen, and the center is the stigma. For fruit to grow, pollen must reach the stigma. This is pollination. It opens for just one evening, requiring quick, careful pollination to transform into fruit. Many dragon fruit varieties are self-sterile, meaning they cannot be pollinated by their own pollen. You will need pollen from a different variety of species for the flower to successfully set fruit in a sterile flower. Take a soft brush or cotton bud. Gently collect pollen from the flower. Now carefully apply it to the center stigma. Hand pollination is highly effective and involves collecting the pollen from the male part's anthers at night or early morning and brushing it onto the female part stigma. If you have multiple flowers, cross-pollination gives even better results. Here we're doing a cross-pollination, but even with one flower, this method can still work. You may take pollen from a different variety of dragon fruits and apply it. Cross-pollinating varieties often results in larger, sweeter fruits. This simple step decides whether you get fruit or nothing. By morning, the flower is gone. But if pollination worked, the base will start swelling in a few days. And that's how a dragon fruit begins. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more real gardening secrets. I grow everything from scratch, no shortcuts. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.